Hi students, let us expand another proverb today. The proverb is where there is a will, there is a way. Do you know about the famous boxer Mary Kom? Let me tell you the fact about the world famous boxer Mary Kom. The world famous boxer Mary Kom has proved that if there is a will, there will be a way. Mary was born in a small village of Manipur. She wanted to be a boxer, but for the place and in the society where she lived, this seemed like an impossible dream. Her own parents were against her dreams of becoming a boxer, but Mary didn't give up. She kept on practicing and trying to make herself a better boxer and a better human every day. With all the hard work and rock solid determination, she was able to make it to the Olympics and won a bronze medal in the boxing category. She not only made her nation proud but also inspired so many young people, especially girls, to pursue their dream with will and hard work, and they will be able to make a way. Now let us expand the proverb. Where there is a will, there is a way, is a saying celebrating human willpower and determination. This proverb teaches us that if someone is determined to do something, he will find a way to accomplish it regardless of all obstacles he may face. It means that if you have enough determination, anything is possible. Willpower is the desire to achieve something. If you have it, then nothing can stop you from doing so. This proverb is important in encouraging people. It tells them not to give up but to continue until they have achieved their goals. It makes them more determined and focused to achieve their goals. Furthermore, this proverb proves the importance of hard work and willpower. People who are willing to persevere and not give up will successfully achieve their goals. Those who work half-heartedly and have no determination cannot succeed in life because they are bound to give up at the slightest sign of difficulty. On the other hand, if you work continuously to achieve your goals, you can surely find a way to succeed no matter how difficult the obstacles. There will be times in life when we feel completely lost and there seems to be no way out. But as long as we have determination and willpower, it is not the end. We will sooner or later find the way to get it done and be crowned with accomplishment of our aim. Now, here I have given to you some more proverbs. You have to find the meanings of these proverbs. If you find any difficulties, you are most welcome to consult me. Let me make you know the proverbs. The first proverb is a bird in hand is worth two in the bush. The second proverb is a leopard never changes its spots. The third proverb is all that glitters is not gold. The fourth proverb is an apple a day keeps the doctor away. The fifth proverb is a stitch in time saves nine. The sixth proverb is beauty is in the eye of the beholder. The seventh proverb is the grass isn't always greener on the other side. The eighth proverb is never judge a book by its cover. The ninth proverb is a bad workman always blames his tools. The tenth proverb is absence makes the heart grow fonder. The 11th proverb is, a chain is only as strong as its weakest link. The last proverb is, actions speak louder than words. Now the home assignment. Choose any one of these proverbs and write a story of your own. Send your answers through voice messages. Thank you.